In this video, let's look at another important Python sequence, dictionaries. Dictionaries are a type of unordered sequence which holds elements as a key value pair. In lists and tuples, we previously saw that elements of the list or the tuples can be accessed by using indices. But in the case of dictionaries, they can be accessed by using what we call as keys. So let's look at how to define a dictionary. So in this case, I'm creating a dictionary called dict, and then it's typically defined by using curly braces, and for the sake of clarity you can push to the next line. And then let's say the first key is name, and then you can separate the key and the value by using a colon. And then if you want to put another entry, you can just use a comma and then push it down to the next line. And then and by the way, dictionaries similar to lists and tuples can hold different data types. So in this case, you're seeing name is a string, ID is a number, and then let's give it another key, which is the email, and let it be a string maybe, and also let's include some special characters. So now once we have the dictionary, let's print out the dictionary. So this is how the dictionary looks. So it has the key and the value pairs. Now let's say you want to access the name from this dictionary. This can be simply done by just saying dict, and then you use square brackets, and within the square brackets you actually add the key that you want to access. So this is how you can create dictionaries in Python and access the different elements by using the keys.